Pixelverse Guide, launch date, and raises $7.5 million in funding. Welcome to our Pixeltap guide, which complements our Pixelverse Guide. In this edition of GAM3S Guides, we'll walk you through the basics of the game, strategies to maximize your PIXFI earnings, and tips for making the most out of Pixeltap's features. Let's dive in and get you started tapping your way to earn coins in the Pixelverse ecosystem. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. What is Pixelverse? In the neon-lit world of Xenon, where cyberpunk aesthetics meet the edge of futuristic gameplay, Pixelverse emerges as a new platform. The Pixelverse bot offers a fun and accessible crypto game experience, inviting players into a 2D world full of epic battles, challenging quests, and immersive stories. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Pixelverse is transforming traditional gaming into a play-to-earn space, where every click and quest can yield real-world rewards in the form of PIXFI tokens. How does Pixelverse work? Pixelverse operates on an EVML1 blockchain, ensuring high scalability, low fees, and easy interoperability with other Ethereum-based platforms. Developed by a team of seasoned professionals from renowned blockchain and gaming projects, Pixelverse integrates a player-driven economy with decentralized finance. Bots and upgrades. Bots are crucial to Pixeltap's gameplay. Players can unlock and upgrade bots to enhance their performance in battles and daily tasks. Investing in higher-level bots is beneficial as they offer better rewards and increase your overall earning potential. How to earn PIXFI tokens in Pixelverse. Complete daily combos. Participate in the Pixelverse daily combo challenges, completing sets of tasks for extra rewards. Join airdrops. Stay active in the Pixelverse Telegram channel to receive updates on airdrop events where free PIXFI tokens are distributed. Participate in quests and battles. Engage in quests and arena battles to earn tokens through gameplay. Referral program. Invite friends and family to join Pixelverse using referral codes to earn additional tokens. Pixelverse to launch PIXFI token. Pixelverse, the developer behind the popular Telegram game Pixeltap, is set to launch its PIXFI token on the Open Network Ton on Thursday, July 18. The announcement came via a tweet highlighting that major centralized exchanges will list the token at 12 p.m. UTC. Pixelverse raises $7.5 million in funding. Pixelverse's rapid growth and strong community support have attracted significant investment. The company raised $2 million in supplemental funding last week, according to a report on CoinSpeaker, following a $5.5 million raise in June. Investors include Galaxy, Interactive, Delphi Digital, Merit Circle, and other notable crypto investors. Will PIXFI get listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges? The team behind Pixelverse aims to expand the reach and utility of PIXFI tokens. While specific exchange listings have not been confirmed, efforts are being made to list PIXFI on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Conclusion. Pixelverse's PIXFI token launch is eagerly anticipated by the gaming and crypto communities. With its innovative approach to tap-to-earn mechanics and strong community backing, Pixelverse is poised to make a significant impact on the TON ecosystem. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.